For today's recipe, this is red kidney beans curry. Then with rice and chapatis. For me is rice. And then nagtira din ako. Ito, binoil ko muna din. Pinalambot ko ito tapos naggawa ng masala. And then, kakainin ko lang ito na ganito. Lagyan ko lang ng konting salt. Masarap sana kung may yung condensed milk. Pero baka lagyan ko ng powder milk. Meron akong powder milk. And then konting sugar. Yan. Masarap ito pang halo sa sa halo-halo, 'di ba? Yan. We'll make hot this one because it's cold already. Because this one, yesterday I cook red kidney beans curry, then I keep little bit this one. So I will put fresh buffalo milk. But this is already boiled last night, so I put little bit milk. Yan. If there is condensed milk, then it's much better. But I don't have condensed milk. Now we put also sugar, brown sugar. Yan, ito, brown sugar. We'll put little bit sugar so it more little sweet. Yan. This is from Japanese, my friend Maria Yagamochi, because last year she came here. And I use this one when I make fillings of siopaw. So we'll make hot. Let's eat red kidney beans with fresh buffalo milk and brown sugar. Bismillah wala barakatila. Sarap. Mainit-init. Yan, ubos. Yan. Solve ang aking lunch kasi hindi pa ako kumain ng lunch. So, time now is 2 p.m. Pakistan time. Tama na ito sa aking for lunch.